All right, good morning. It is now Thursday. Yesterday was quite the day. We really struggled to find a place to stay yesterday for the night. We ended up at a place called Lawson's Landings, just north of San Francisco, a little further than we hoped, as we ended up driving over the Golden Gate at night. So we are actually going to head back there now and backtrack a little bit so we can check it out. Hopefully the weather is better there than it is here. It is a disaster right now. It's been storming all morning. The wind has died down a little, but still gusting. But normally it would be a pretty nice place, by the looks of it. So yeah, just going to get loaded up into the truck here and get out of here. We found a place about an hour and a half from here that we'll end up going for the night. It's just a beach camp spot that you can stay at. But yeah, as you can see, it's pouring and this camera is not weatherproof, so into the truck it goes. Okay, all packed up from this camp spot, heading back towards the Golden Gate Bridge. Found out last night that unfortunately a bunch of the footage I took with the new way I've mounted the camera was focusing on the dash and not on the surroundings. So hopefully Leah will be able to get something out of our crossover, that crazy section from yesterday's camp, to get back up to the gas station there, up to King City. So yeah, that was Kirk Creek Campground to King City, straight up over the hills. Pretty crazy route. It was awesome to go through. Had to move a lot of rocks and debris on the road, and I thought we were recording it all, but like I said, it was focused on the B&O stereo button on the dash there versus the screen, so I've tilted it up more. I had it tilted down more thinking I was getting too much sky view, but we'll try it like this and see how it goes. Some terrible weather here today, but hopefully it blows through quick enough and we carry on. This was kind of the coldest night since my trip out to towards Vegas. So I guess as we get closer to Vancouver here, it's going to get colder and colder. Hopefully that cold front moves away as we get closer. Dillon Beach, California. This little town is pretty cute, so we'll record through it. From what we were able to see in the dark last night anyway, it looked pretty nice. We seen this church last night. It was pretty cool looking for sure. Definitely looks like it's old. Looks like they lost a bridge here at one time. Luckily the rain has stopped for now and the clouds aren't blocking the Golden Gate. So here we are, gonna go check it out. Totally got lucky with the weather. Holy, it's like a monsoon driving. stuff. This looks a little slippery. Okay, it's been a rainy drive from San Francisco for just over an hour. We're now getting off the 101, heading towards today's destination. So we'll see what we see. Didn't record much on the Highway 101 because it was ugly and boring, but now we will see what we see. So we are going to do they call en route parking, so we can stay the night here till 9 a.m. You're only allowed to do one night, but I'm sure if we wanted to stay for the day, we probably just have to pay the day pass, or maybe there is no day pass, I'm not sure. But at least we're gonna have somewhere to stay tonight and figure out where we're going tomorrow. We have good cell service here, so that helps. Okay, this is where we are for the night, Thursday night. Off the step right onto the beach, so hopefully all is well and we're not going to get in trouble. We paid the money, put it in the envelope, see what happens.